Hello, spring is the best time to repot your plants, and let's start with coleus. This is 3 weeks old cutting which is growing roots like crazy in just normal tap water. Now the temperature is rising and we are heading to summer. The water was evaporating way too quickly, and I thought to give it a soil, and I'm adding my regular soil mix. So now I will be making soil for succulents because I have many succulents to pot, and this is my regular soil mix. So it has perlite, compost, charcoal, cocoa peat, and the way I make my succulent soil is by adding a lot of inorganic material, and I recently repurchased this perlite. I shook the bag, and on top of the bag all the bigger size particles came. I collected it in a cup, in this cup, and now I'm adding I just eyeball it. Okay, I never measure like the percentage of things. Many people are like add 20% of that and 30% of, no, just I just eyeball it. For succulents I use good amount of inorganic. That's mostly perlite in my case, because succulents hold a lot of water and they do not like their roots to be sitting in moist soil for a very long time, like this zygo cactus which I have placed in garden soil in clear cup, but it was getting root rot, and I have just chopped the leaf, and in the soil it will grow roots very quickly and very easily. I will be giving them water 2 days after, because the soil is already wet, because I rinsed cocoa peat a few days back only. And now I will be potting this string of hearts pink variegated. I have killed I think 5 to 6 string of hearts in previous years, but I just potted it in wheat straw and compost, and it's thriving. So I'm a little bit scared because I don't want to kill this plant. And look at the roots, look at the healthy roots. It was very airy and chunky. I hope it will like this soil mix, because again, the roots, the bulbous part hold water, the leaves hold water. The another plant I will be potting is the silver dollar plant. Again, it when I bought it, it came in a very bad condition. It is growing new buds. It's a very slow growing plant. I have put them in very colorful pots because my parents, like my family, were like, do not grow plants in clear cup, they do not look nice. I was like, okay, I will be changing the pot. I do love ceramic Japanese style pots, but in that I can't figure out how the root is growing. But yeah, these are looking pretty nice, beautiful, colorful, and cheerful too. I love them. And that was all in this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you next time.